Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Yeah, a few people asked for a QNT update, even though the price hasn't moved at all for many weeks here. However, we broke this triangle to the downside. We expected this because we want price to head down a little lower. Let's take a look at the chart. Still unchanged, a wave 1-2. So we have this wave 1 to the upside as per the Elliott wave count into the 17th of October 2022. Then we saw this correction in a WXY structure most likely. That means we're now in this Y wave. Then we have several subwaves, but it's all part of that wave 2 correction. Don't think it necessarily needs to go down that low, but I do expect it still a little lower than where it is today, just because from the current price regions, we haven't seen any convincing price action to the upside. So it's very weak. And we need to be on the lookout for potentially lower prices, which can then generate enough buying pressure because buyers might get interested again at lower prices. But, you know, it just sort of reflects what I've been saying for a few weeks now about the altcoin sector. The altcoin sector doesn't look healthy at the moment. A lot of the coins, if they rally, they lose it all again. Bitcoin, Ethereum are just still the leaders, you know, at the moment in this market. And, you know, that might change at some point again. But at the moment, the altcoins aren't really performing well. Quant historically has been one of the earlier ones to rally. So that fact that Quant hasn't started yet to rally in a third wave means that maybe the third wave hasn't really started yet, okay, generally across many coins. So I still expect lower here. The wave count still allows for lower in this ending diagonal to the downside. What you need to understand is that here we broke out of this triangle to the downside, retested it from below, and we could now be heading down lower. But ultimately what is important is that price breaks below this green support area. This is not a trend reversal area. This is actually just a support area. Well, you could define it as trend reversal area because you necessarily expect some reactions because it is support. But what we want in this case, in contrast to normally our trend reversal areas, which are purely based on fibs, this one is not a fib area. We want this one to break. I just have it here to indicate to you, okay, what is support and what needs to be broken so that we can really wrap this up. Because we have support, basically it is in support now, which basically slowed it down. Yeah, this caused a lot of choppy price action, the fact that when Quant entered this support region. Now, below $95, this would be the breakout point, breakdown point, breakthrough point, however you want to call it, because there isn't much action below $95. Okay, can you see that historically there is a lot of price action above $95 or above actually the support range, which ranges from 95 to 102. So above 102 there's quite a lot of price action. Here in this region a lot of price spikes occur, so they were all slowed down. And okay, this didn't even get there, but here, yeah. And below it there is nothing, only here, okay, a little bit, okay. But the chances are quite high that if we break below 95, it could take us quite quickly to the next fib level at 80. And that's still the level I'm watching for. Until then, we still need to be patient. Breakout point to the upside, indicated in red. Resistance is the $120 level. At the moment, we're quite far away from that. So at the moment, I still expect lower. But I mean, it is very stubborn. So to confirm really that $80, potential $80 target around $80, that's by the way the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, price needs to break below 95. That's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.